Namaste, I am Anand Sharma from Homestaying.in, a platform made to connect travelers with the homestay owners. This video will teach you how to get started and register your homestay, so more visitors see your property and call for bookings. Partnering with Homestaying.in gives you more bookings, direct access to customers and marketing support. To begin, go to www.homestaying.in and on the top right, click on List My Property. Once you're here, click on the orange button and get started. Fill in the forms with your information and create a new account with your mobile OTP. Make sure you note down your user ID and password so you don't forget. Once you are in your dashboard, upload your photos and information to complete your homestay listing at your leisure. Congratulations, your homestay is now registered. Take a look at our subscriptions plans below this video. Thank you for trusting Homestaying.in.